Schedule. When selecting Schedule from the control table, the Schedule Calculation tab will open automatically. This example demonstrates how to create a simple schedule. First, using UTC, enter the departure date and time for the first waypoint in the ETD column, and then enter the arrival date and time for the last waypoint in the ETA column. Next, press play on the schedule calculation to commence the data calculation. Now, delete the values inserted in the previous created schedule. Then, set the departure time for the first waypoint. However, also insert various speeds in the route legs. Once again, press play to create a new schedule. Note that you can also create schedules with combinations of both speeds and ETAs as shown previously. If the Admiralty Total Tide option has been included with your Navi-Sailor 4000 license, then further parameters of tidal and surface currents may be included into the schedule calculation. To personalize or rename a schedule, double-click on its name and enter a new name. Extra data, route check. The IMO standards define minimum types of areas to be permanently selected when route checking. Additional areas may be selected, and these may be included at the discretion of the navigator when undertaking passage planning. In the extra data table of the route planning panel, the safety contour may also be adjusted in its respective column to suit the passage being planned. Once all of the preliminary passage planning elements have been completed, go to the Check Route tab. On the right-hand side, under the Safety Options section, you will find a list of previously selected areas and the value of the safety contour that will be taken into consideration for the passage. Now press play to start the route check calculation. Once the calculation is complete, the system will show a list of identified dangers based on the criteria you have previously entered. Additionally, a short description will also be visible of the danger identified within the route leg and ENC chart. By clicking on the magnifying lens button and then clicking on the Next allows closer examination of each hazard to navigation as it is encountered along the route check sequence. Once all elements have been analysed, click on the Check Off button to accept the route check results and review the final passage and route plan. To exit the route check functionality, click on the Close button.